Hi Eamon, just wanted to leave a quick review on the Amazon Wholesale blueprint that you've put together. Overall, I think the blueprint is a fantastic course for anyone that's already been doing some selling on Amazon that's perhaps looking to move into the wholesale model. The course itself covers lots of sort of the foundational aspects of setting up the business, such as creating your own website, setting up Google Drive professionally, that sort of thing. The bit that I found the most valuable, to be honest with you though, and the bit that I think sets it apart from other courses is the sort of aftercare support that you get. So the weekly Zoom calls, the in-person meetups, where you can sort of ask specific questions to any sort of problems or issues that you're facing. For example, I had some help off you in sort of negotiating better prices with a supplier I've been dealing with. And it's good to just bounce ideas off other people that are doing the course as well. We did a lot of sort of prep around the spring fair, such as identifying suppliers that we were going to talk to, and then sort of, how to talk to them, what sort of things to avoid saying, what sort of things should you be saying. And as a result of that, I was able to open accounts with 8 additional suppliers off the back of the trade show. So, and obviously with your one-to-one support during that trade show as well, that was incredibly valuable. The thing I sort of like most about the course is right from the very start, it's very focused on sort of systems and scalability. You're very focused on building a proper business rather than just a bit of a side hustle, that sort of thing. I also like the no-nonsense approach. You make it quite clear from the start that it's still going to take a lot of work from us, but you give us the tools to succeed and progress with that. So I'd recommend it to anyone really that's sort of looking to progress into the wholesale business. So thanks again. Cheers.